Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your Twitter background. So that's what you're going to be doing in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. Now with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on my Twitter account right here. So this is Jobs Namibia account, which is one of our division here at Kandowa Media. So please consider following us on our Twitter account. But with that being said, let's just go ahead with this video. Now what I want you to do is just come to more here, click on more, and then this tab should be opening up, right? So now what I want you to do is click on display here, right? And then this window should be opening up. Now if you scroll down, you will see you got this background. As of now is at default, which is white. So if you want it dim or right out, you can click on whichever. Let's just say go with this second one. Now you will see you got it right out, right? And then if you want it right out, click on that and then just click on done, right? So once you're done, you can just click on done right here. Let's say you got that. Now you got it like that. That's your background, right? So yeah, that's how you change your Twitter background. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. Now please consider subscribing if you haven't already by now. With that being said, that's it. See you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.